Hi, my name is Paul Roscoe, Managing Director here at Berkshire Labels, one of the leading UK label manufacturers. Based in the south of England, about 1 hour west of London. We are privately owned. We've been established over 25 years. We are passionate about lean manufacturing. We're passionate about moving forwards, improving our efficiencies. We're passionate about making sure Berkshire Labels produces everything with an environmental conscience. Our latest investment was a Mark Andy, 2200, 13-inch wide, 6-colour press. Coupled with this, we've got a Martin automatic MBS, fully automatic unwind at the beginning. Shortly after we took installation of the Martin automatic, we were successful in winning a new contract. Before we had the Martin automatic, we would have run this on one of our other flexo presses, and I estimated it would have taken us between 90 and 100 hours to complete the job. The machine did not stop, and we achieved the finished job complete within 60 hours. Perfect. We were able to run the machine at over 120 metres a minute. Because it was a long run, it enabled us to get up to those speeds. Because it wasn't stopping and starting, it enabled us to maintain those speeds and even push higher to 130 and 140 metres per minute. I remember that because it was new in, it was a great job, it was a tight margin job, and we made some money out of it because we produced it in an efficient way. Before the Martin automatic, we'd be taking off 2 or 3 rolls per hour. Each roll change would have taken us 5 minutes before. The roll change now doesn't take us any time at all. Because the machine runs continuous, the rolls just change from one roll to another, the join goes through, and we don't lose any registration. Print to print doesn't go out, print to die cut doesn't go out. We've been able to push our standards higher. Now we're taking off 6, sometimes 7 rolls per hour. At the end of the machine is a box just full of cores, which again is another benchmark of great day, good production, jobs going out the door. One of the things I'm most pleased about is the saving in wastage, both material that's left on the end of the roll and running wastage. Before the Martin automatic on other machines, you end up having 5 to 10 metres sometimes left on the end of the roll. With the Martin automatic, we've got that down to less than 1 metre. The continuous running of the machine means that when the join goes through the press, literally on sheeted work, we're pulling out 1 or 2 sheets. We have no wastage at all, apart from where that red splice goes through. Before we had the Martin, the roll would come to an end, the machine would stop, we would take one roll off one end, put another one on, and then start the machine. You naturally lose the length of that machine, where the ink units get removed and then come back on impression. The length of the machine takes 30 metres. That 30 metres, in reality, is more like 40 metres. With the Martin automatic, we don't get that start and stop issue anymore. It was installed by Mark Andy. It was all set up originally by Mark Andy. We had the training which was complete within the day. We've had no issues at all. It's just one of those things that we've now forgot about. It's just part of the machine. It just runs. We're very pleased at the investment that we made with Martin automatic. We've already started the thought process of next year we should be having more of these on the front end of Mark Andy flexo presses. We could then go to turret on some of the rolls as well. So we could go from Martin automatic on the front end to a turret system on the reverse.